If you're not receiving emails on, it can be frustrating and disrupt important communication. This issue is often caused by incorrect settings, spam filters, or temporary server problems, but it can be fixed with a few simple steps. Start by opening on your device and refreshing your inbox. If the issue continues, click on the menu and check your spam folder, as some emails may be redirected there. After that, go to Settings and select Mailboxes. Make sure the email address shown matches your email exactly, because even a small mismatch can cause delivery problems. Once this is done, the issue should be resolved. On offers flexible pricing with a monthly plan costing $199 and a discounted annual plan available for $19.99. This premium subscription removes ads, provides a huge 5 terabyte of storage, and includes priority customer support, making email management more convenient. I recently began using On for my official registrations, but the experience became frustrating when I didn't receive my verification link. Although the app itself is easy to use, email delays and aggressive spam filters make it less reliable for time-sensitive messages. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical reviews.